First thing you want to do is measure out your paper. To do that, you place the book on one side, fold up 2 or 3 centimeters. You want to have some overlap of about 2 centimeters again. Where your 2 centimeter overlap is, you want to cut. Fold over that excess 2 to 3 centimeters. That should be right at the edge of the book, and it looks really, really neat. I use a double-sided tape. I never use sellotape because it looks quite messy. Place it on the edge here. Put this side down, bring this side over and have it overlap slightly. Fold one corner over in like this. Do the same thing again. Double-sided tape again. Place it on one corner. Take another piece of double-sided tape and put it across the bottom like this. Fold up 2 centimeters. Another piece of double-sided tape on top. Where the edge of the paper is, fold again. Just slide your book in. Do the same thing on the top. So this is your book. Measure how much ribbon I'm going to need to do my bow. So the loop and the legs, as I like to call it. I'm going to hold that there. Going to bring that back, forward, back, forward again. So you've gone over all 4 corners. Make sure I've got enough again. Enough ribbon on both sides. Left hand side over the right, under and pull through. If you want to add some berries, you can do that. And that's how you wrap a book for Christmas. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap a bottle of wine. You want the paper to go up halfway. Fold here. And I'm going to roll the bottle over and make sure that there is an overlap. Start to cut. I'm just going to place that there. Secure the bottle like that. This is the fun bit. You're going to pleat the paper around the bottom of the bottle. Now that's done, we are once again going to the same that we did with the book. And there's your bottle. So now I'm going to show you how to wrap a football. And first things first, how to stop your ball from rolling around. Use your double-sided tape and place it like that. This will need 2 pieces of paper. Try and keep it as straight as possible. Again, we're going to fold over in about 2 to 3 centimeters on one side. Place some tape. Bring one side over. So once again, I'll start again. I'll do. Sorry. Fold. Take this side and make sure there's about a 5 centimeter overlap. I'm just going to once again fold the ends in. And that's your ball. And that's your football all ready for Christmas.